Hello. Welcome back to this channel where we keep educating you on various ways to earn money online. Please like it to make it reach out to many people like you who would like this hack through. You can also comment and suggest a topic that you would want us to discuss in the future. Again, subscribe to this channel for you to be the first one to get notified of newly uploaded videos like this. Ensure you watch to the end so that you do not get lost in the process. This video shall be on evaluation essays. An evaluation essay is a common type of writing, especially in colleges. In this video, we'll discuss what evaluation essays are, how they're used in colleges, and provide some tips for writing effective evaluation essays. So, let's get started. First things first, what is an evaluation essay? An evaluation essay is a type of writing where the writer provides an analysis and opinion of something, whether it be a book, movie, product, or even service. In colleges, evaluation essays are often used as a way to assess a student's understanding of a particular topic or concept. For example, after studying a particular theory in class, a student might be asked to write an evaluation essay on the theory. So, how can you write an effective evaluation essay in college? Here are some tips to get you started. Tip number 1, choose a topic that you're interested in and knowledgeable about. First, make sure to choose a topic that you're interested in and that you have some knowledge about. This will make the writing process much easier and more enjoyable. For example, if you're interested in environmental issues, you might choose to write an evaluation essay on a documentary about climate change. If you're interested in business, you might choose to evaluate a new product or service in the market. Choosing a topic that you're passionate about will make the research and writing process more enjoyable, and you'll be more likely to produce a high-quality essay. Tip number 2, do your research. Second, do your research. Take the time to read about your topic, gather information, and consider different perspectives. This will help you to develop a well-informed opinion and provide evidence to support your analysis. Start by researching your topic online, using academic databases, and reading books and articles related to your topic. Make sure to take notes as you research, and keep track of your sources so that you can easily reference them later. When evaluating your sources, consider the author's credentials, the publication's reputation, and the date of publication. This will help you to ensure that you're using reliable sources. Tip number 3, plan your essay. Third, plan your essay. Outline your main points and organize your ideas in a logical and coherent manner. This will make it easier to write a clear and concise essay that is easy for the reader to follow. Start by creating an outline that includes your introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Your introduction should include an overview of your topic and your thesis statement, which is the main argument of your essay. In your body paragraphs, you should provide evidence to support your thesis statement, using examples, data, and quotes from your sources. Make sure to organize your ideas in a logical manner, using transitions to connect your paragraphs. Finally, your conclusion should summarize your main points and restate your thesis statement. leaving the reader with a clear understanding of your argument. Tip number 4, revise and edit your essay. Fourth, revise and edit your essay. Make sure to proofread your work for grammar and spelling errors, and make any necessary changes to improve the clarity and flow of your writing. Start by reading through your essay and making notes of any errors or areas that need improvement. Then, make the necessary changes, focusing on improving the clarity and flow of your writing. When proofreading your essay, pay close attention to your grammar. This is where people lose a lot of points. Grammatical mistakes show your tutor that you are either overconfident in your activities or you were in a hurry while you were writing. Writing commands concentration and ample time. Thank you for watching.